All right, so where should we go?
Creator Studio, you can go Creator Studio.
Say that again.
Creator Studio. Or you can select Customize Channel.
This
Press
one.
the button. Yes, press the button.
Okay.
Customize Channel. Okay.
Okay.
So
and
after
then?
that, you have to click Setting button, which is left side on your screen. Left side, bottom left. Bottom left. More bottom. Yes, Setting button. Yeah. After that, you have to select permission option, which is located in 4th number.
Where?
Yes.
Permission. Okay.
Yes. And there you can add anybody
Invite.
as a editor,
Okay.
as a manager.
Put email, right?
Yes.
And select
As
the
a
role as a
editor.
manager.
Yeah. I want to do editor.
Okay.
Limited.
Okay.
Okay. So as I mentioned, just try 2 of them and to see for 1 week. 1 week is enough time?
Yes.
All right. Okay, guys. This is it. Thank you. Good.
Yes,
I need
good.
to get going.
You have to verify your Gmail. Yes. Notifications already sent to your mobile. Please check it and confirm it.
Okay. Sounds good. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
কাজ এর আগে একদিন মিটিং হয়েছিল, হ্যাঁ। তো ওনাকে হাজারভাবে বোঝায়ও কিন্তু অ্যাক্সেসটা নিতে পারেনি।
যাই হোক, আমরা মিটিং ক্লোজ করি নাকি?
আচ্ছা ভাইয়া, থ্যাংক ইউ ভাইয়া।
ওকে, ওয়েলকাম।